Have you ever felt so mentally exhausted, yet your brain just won't shut off? You lie in bed, eyes closed, lights off, but your mind is racing, your chest feels tight, and sleep feels miles away. You're not alone. In today's world, chronic stress and anxiety are some of the most common reasons people can't fall or stay asleep. But what if I told you there's a natural, gentle way to calm your mind and ease your nervous system, without medication, without side effects, using nothing but the power of scent? In this video, we'll uncover the best essential oils for reducing anxiety, calming the mind, and helping you fall into deep, restorative sleep, the kind your body craves and your brain needs. Hey friends, welcome back to Essential Cures. We'll break down the top 5 essential oils for anxiety and sleep, what science says about each one, how to use them properly, whether it's a diffuser, pillow spray, or nighttime bath. 1. Lavender oil, the queen of calm. If you could only pick one oil for relaxation and sleep, let it be lavender. Lavender isn't just popular because of its sweet floral smell. It's also the most heavily researched essential oil for calming the nervous system. In clinical studies, lavender has been shown to lower heart rate and blood pressure, reduce cortisol, the stress hormone, increase slow-wave sleep, which is the deepest and most restorative phase of your sleep cycle. How to use it? Add 5 to 8 drops to a diffuser 30 minutes before bed. Place 1 to 2 drops on a cotton ball tucked into your pillowcase. Mix with a carrier oil and massage into your neck or temples. Tip: combine it with chamomile for an even stronger effect. 2. Bergamot oil, citrus with a calming twist, 230 to 345. Most citrus scents are energizing, but bergamot is the exception. This unique oil, extracted from the peel of a bergamot orange, has an incredibly calming effect on both the mind and body. It's been shown to lower cortisol levels, improve mood, decrease symptoms of anxiety and tension. How to use it? Add to your diffuser before or after a stressful day. Place a few drops on your chest with a carrier oil. Mix with lavender for a relaxing evening blend. Important: bergamot can make your skin more sensitive to sunlight, so avoid applying it before going outside. 3. Chamomile oil, your gentle sleep aid. You've probably sipped chamomile tea before bed, but the essential oil is even more concentrated and effective. Roman chamomile oil is known for its mild sedative effect, especially helpful for those who struggle with nervous tension or emotional unrest. It works by influencing GABA receptors in the brain, which are responsible for slowing down nerve activity and promoting relaxation. Studies have shown that chamomile can reduce symptoms of generalized anxiety disorder, and regular inhalation may even improve insomnia symptoms over time. How to use it? Add a few drops to a warm bath before bed. Use in a diffuser for 20 minutes during your wind-down routine. Blend with a bit of coconut oil for a calming massage oil. Best for people who feel emotionally overwhelmed or struggle to let go of mental chatter at night. 4. Frankincense oil, the mind-grounding ancient. Feeling mentally scattered or overwhelmed by your thoughts? Frankincense is a grounding, earthy oil that's been used for thousands of years in meditation and prayer for a reason. It's known to slow and deepen breathing, lower stress levels, promote a sense of peace and introspection. Research shows that frankincense activates parts of the brain linked to emotional regulation and spiritual awareness, making it perfect for nighttime reflection, journaling, or meditation. How to use it? Add to a diffuser or oil burner during your evening routine. Mix with lavender in a roll-on bottle for stress relief. Inhale directly from your hands for instant calm. This one's perfect if you're the type of person who lies awake at night replaying the day or worrying about the next. 5. Ylang Ylang, emotional unwinding in a bottle, 6:15 to 7:30. If your anxiety is tied to emotions like sadness, anger, or heartbreak, Ylang Ylang may be your best friend. This tropical, sweet-scented oil is known for its ability to lower heart rate, ease depression and irritability, promote a feeling of joy and emotional release. Inhalation of ylang ylang has been shown to reduce blood pressure and cortisol, while increasing feelings of self-love and calm. How to use it? Diffuse during your bedtime ritual. Blend with bergamot for emotional clarity. Add a few drops to unscented lotion and apply after an evening shower. Best for when you feel tense, emotionally drained, or in need of comfort. How to use essential oils safely. Let's talk safety, because essential oils are powerful. Always dilute essential oils in a carrier oil, like jojoba or almond oil, before applying to your skin. Do a patch test to check for allergies. Never ingest oils unless advised by a licensed professional. Keep oils away from eyes, mouth, and broken skin. And most importantly, less is more. A few drops go a long way. Bonus, my favorite bedtime blend recipe. Want a ready-to-go blend for sleep? Try this. Calm Mind Sleep Blend. 3 drops lavender. 2 drops Roman chamomile. 1 drop frankincense. 1 drop ylang ylang. Add to a diffuser 30 minutes before bed. Or mix with 1 tablespoon of carrier oil and apply to the bottom of your feet and wrists. You'll be amazed how relaxed you feel. There you have it, 5 of the most effective, natural ways to support your mind, body, and sleep through the power of essential oils. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who struggles to sleep or relax. Let me know in the comments, which oil are you most excited to try? Or do you already have a favorite? And of course, hit subscribe for more natural remedies and peaceful living tips every week. Until next time, stay calm, stay grounded, and sleep well.